Good morning, children. Today I'm back again with a new topic. Last class we were discussing about multitasking and single tasking. So, multitasking we already explained some of the examples like riding bicycles, where involves many activities. Riding bicycle involves many activities such as uh, taking care of the handles, pedals, brakes, as well as looking at the bumps, roads, and direction. And at the same time, you are doing many things in your mind, you know, where to go, what to do. So there are such things like if you're going to school by the bicycles, you have things in your mind that you have to reach school fast, then you have to do your preparation for the assembly and all that such things. So these things involve many activities, and this process is a very good example for multitasking. Now next new topic for today is creating a user account. Now, creating a user account means what is a user account first of all. So a user account allows the user to create multiple accounts in on operating system for individual personalization of the account. Now, individual personalization of account. Now, what is this account first of all? Like when you are sitting in the computer, if it is your computer, you would obviously like that your computer desktop should be of your choice, like flowers or whatever choice is yours. Like you want to put your desktop in your best superheroes picture, or you want a screensaver on your desktop. Like if you are not working for a minute or a while, your computer should show some animations, automated animations, that is called screensavers. So these things are called personalization. It is your personal things that you modify in the interface of the computer, that allows your interface more interactive or more interesting. You make it a comfortable zone for yourself. It is a domain which you make comfortable for yourself and make of your choice. So by adding such things is called like let us suppose that you don't want any other people peep inside your computer, so you put passwords so that your informations and data cannot be accessed by any other people. So similarly, if there are more than 2-3 users, let us suppose that your father bought a computer for you and your two brothers and sisters. Now all three of them want to use the same computer and keeps on changing the settings that you have changed for themselves of their choice. Then there will be a small quarrel and a fight between all three of you. So the best thing that Windows provides us with this facility is that instead of fighting with each other, we will create different account in the same computer, and that is provided by Windows. We can create three different accounts for yourself, your brother and your sister. And also if your father or your parents are using the computer, you can create them also. It means you can create multiple number of accounts in your computer. Okay, so let us suppose that all three of you have a different account in that same computer. Now that account will be known as user account. Now if you want to go into your account, you will be using your login and password. Okay, so let us suppose that you have created your account in the name of let us suppose Hulk. Okay, now superhero, my favorite superhero, Hulk. So let us suppose your user account name is Hulk. Now if your brother and sister wants to access your Hulk, they have to know your password. Okay, and if you want to permit your brother or sister to access your account, you can share your password. And if you don't want to permit your brother and sister to access your account, you will So if you don't want to share your password or you don't want to share your user account with your brother and sister, you can simply keep your password secret and no one will be able to access your account. Now, what will you do in your account? What will be the things that are different? There are settings. Okay, we call, and your phones also you have settings. You want to install your favorite game, but your dad oftenly uninstalls that game. So we have computers, in computers, Windows, even in Android operating system also we have a user account, but we are not going to discuss about those things now. We are discussing about user account in Windows. So you can create your personal user account, and there you can install your personal app. You can install your personal games, and you can change the settings with the desktop screensavers, the way the songs play, and all the interface activities. You can change the mouse pointers. There are many multiple types of settings that you can change for your choice, for the ease of your access or ease of your working. Similarly, your brothers and sisters, their account also, they can do the same thing in their choice. And this is how you are able to create multiple user account. Now again, I'll describe you. This is the definition I have created for you. You can, if you want, you can note it down because it is not from the book. The user account allows the user to create multiple account in on operating system for individual personalization of accounts, like your personal preferences such as your desktop background or screensaver, and it tells Windows which file or folders you can access and what changes you can make to your computer. That makes us friendly environment to work on. Okay, so this is what user account actually means. I will later, after this discussion, we will show you how to create a user account also. If you are a single user account, you on your computer, everyone will share the same application, same settings, files and system permissions. And if you use multiple user accounts, everyone will have their own browser which they can log into without worry. And same is true for other applications like emails and other client services.